Earthquake strikes in Aegean Sea off coast of Turkey, Greece. A 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit the Aegean Sea off Greece and Turkey on Friday, according to the United States Geological Survey. Quake, according to Turkey's health minister. The city of Izmir in Turkey has been particularly badly hit, with reports of at least 20 buildings destroyed, cars being crushed and people in the streets following the quake. The earthquake has also caused damage on the Greek island of Samos in the Aegean Sea. Turkey's Disaster and Emergency Management Presidency said Friday's earthquake was centered in the Aegean at a depth of 16.5 kilometers, 10.3 miles, and registered at a 6.6 magnitude. The emergency authority said it sent search and rescue teams to Izmir. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center said the quake had a preliminary magnitude of 6.9, with an epicenter 13 kilometers, 8 miles, north-northeast of the Greek island of Samos. The quake was felt across the eastern Greek islands and even in the Greek capital Athens. Greek media said the residents of Samos and other islands fled their homes, while some rockfalls were reported. There were no immediate reports of injuries. Turkey and Greece reported aftershocks. The quake was also felt in Bulgaria.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.